let's spill the tea on this secretive condiment, Kewpie Japanese Mayo. You either love or hate mayo, but it crushes at livening up a grilled cheese by ditching the butter for a richer flavor. And it's the main ingredient that makes potato salad absolutely irresistible. However, not all mayos are cut from the same cloth. You've got your run-of-the-mill Hellmann's, the Southern charm of Duke's, and even the avant-garde avocado and olive oil-based varieties. Yet, in the grand kingdom of mayo, there's one mayo that rules them all, and it answers to the name of Kewpie. Maybe your eyes caught a glimpse of an influencer waving a tube of Kewpie as you were scrolling through TikTok. Or perhaps you're well versed in the Kewpie craze. It boasts a logo featuring a cute and slightly creepy baby, a cherubic figure borrowed from the genius of cartoonist Rosie O'Neill. You might already see the correlation between Kewpie and Cupid. It's no coincidence. Born in 1924, Kewpie has become a household staple in Japan. Its creator Tochiro Nakashima stumbled upon the wonders of mayo during a culinary pilgrimage to the United States. He brought back this mystical condiment with dreams of crafting a delectable and nutritious companion for Japanese vegetables. Little did he know, he was sowing the seeds of one of the largest cult followings in the foodie landscape. But what makes the Kewpie the grandmaster of mayos? Well, it all begins with the eggs. Kewpie uses only the yolks in its mayo-making alchemy, unlike its American counterparts that throw in the whole egg. The result? A deeper yellow hue and a texture so velvety, it's almost custard-like. And then there's the vinegar. While American mayos rely on distilled vinegar for a punchy acidity, Japanese mayo opts for a more subdued, sweeter tang with either apple cider or rice vinegar. The proprietary vinegar blend is still kind of a mystery though. But here's the not-so-secret ingredient that gives this condiment its umami kick in the butt: monosodium glutamate, better known as MSG. Yeah, you heard that right. You might even remember stories of when MSG was considered the worst thing on the planet. But it turns out that over time and plenty of research, MSG is, in fact, not evil, and rather more of a godsend in the culinary world. MSG is part of lots of foods we already eat, like tomatoes, grapes, fish, meats, and cheeses. Chefs from coast to coast are captivated by the allure of Kewpie, declaring Kewpie as the king of mayonnaise. In essence, Kewpie Mayo isn't just another mayo, but rather that fancy dress or tuxedo you wear out. It's got an occasion, and sometimes that occasion is a drizzle of Kewpie on a slice of Okonomiyaki pizza. Pizza recipe in the description. So whether you're a mayo maven or a novice, the Kewpie experience is a journey worth exploring. Well, there you have it. All things Kewpie. Till next time, my friends, stay saucy.